everyone, so I'm back with my first video of the year, which is super exciting. I'm happy to be back with making videos again. It's been a while and I know I'm a little behind. It's currently February. You're probably wondering what happened to January. I had goals to start then, but that didn't fall through. So I'm gonna start fresh this month and crossing fingers, I will continue to make more. That is definitely a goal of mine for this year. So I thought I would come back with a planner related video because quite a few of you have been asking for these kind of videos. So I figured perfect timing since I am still trying to figure out what planner setup I want to use, but I think I figured it out, and I'll get into that in a whole another video because this one is specifically for my unboxing of my new planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this and show you guys what I got. You guys could tell by the title and by the box where it's from. So if you're not familiar, this is from Erin Condren, and it's been a while since I've actually used one of these planners. I think it was like 4 years ago or whatnot. So I'm pretty excited to try this out, and this is actually a different style too, so it's super exciting. So really quick, before I open this up, I wanted to share the delivery time because I was pretty impressed. The last time I ordered, it took a while, and then this time around it was pretty fast. I mean, both times I got them customized, so yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so let's open this up here. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love the colors. You guys know I love pastel colors. So of course it comes with stickers, or a sticker and a little postcard. Onto the goodies here. I hate tearing this because it's packaged so nicely. And this is what I got, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first thing on top are the metallic pen holders. It was a set of 3, and I've been wanting to get these for quite some time, not or even before I ordered this, because I really like the colors. So that's that. And then this is the main, let me move this out of the way, the main piece right here, which is my planner. And oh my gosh, you guys, off bat, I am loving it. So this is the 2018 Hardbound Life Planner in the vertical layout. So I chose the black and gold cover. There's also another option that you can choose from. I believe it's like I want to say like a taupe-ish color with the same, or no, I think it was like a taupe-ish color with rose golds, but I love the gold and black and how that looks like. And as you guys can see, it is customized with my initials. And now that I see it, I kind of wish I didn't do like the periods in between, but that's okay. But it feels really, really nice. It has like that rubbery plastic feel to it. And I'm like feeling it out here to see if it leaves like fingerprints on it, and I don't really see much, so that's a good thing. But I love how it looks like. It looks really, really simple. I didn't want to go with the coils because I don't really want something too heavy. So here is what the front looks like. Here's the spine, and I love how it says 2018. And then here is the back, and I just love like the print too. It looks really pretty. Okay, let's open this up here and I'll show you. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the pages, like the edges of the page. They're in gold, which is super pretty, and it goes all the way around, which is really nice. Open it up here. So here is the front part with the continuous print. That's so pretty. Then you have these 2 quotes on the second page here. So these 2 pages have the year at a glance with 2 boxes for notes. And oh, one more thing about this specific planner. This is the neutral one, and I believe the other one has the more colorful layouts. So just a little FYI if you're not familiar. So when you turn it, you have these boxes here. You could use it for like goals or whatnot. Then it goes straight into the month on 2 pages. And I love the layout for this. I love it. I love that it's like gray, black. It's super nice. Definitely my faves. So pretty much all of the months look the same throughout the whole planner. I'll just briefly flip through this. So with the months, of course, you have the month on 2 pages and then a spot for notes, which is really nice. The weekly layouts, there's a spot for notes and stuff like that, which I think is perfect for what I needed. And then up on top, you can see there's like the holidays and stuff like that, which is nice. Here's the bookmark or page finder, and it's in gold, and that's basically it. So it again is January through December, or actually January 6th. Then once you're done with that, there's a few pages of line, or I believe it's all lined paper. Oh no, it's not. So you have 10 pages of lined paper, and then you have dotted paper as well. 8 of that, and then you have blank sheets, 6 of blank, and then it goes straight into 2019 year at a glance. And there's also little boxes here for the incoming year. So I love the simplicity of this. Oh, and then in the back, there's another quote, and this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. It really took me a while to figure out like what planner system will work out for my needs, and honestly, I think this is it. So I'll definitely share like an update and everything, and you know, with the planners that I'm using with you guys. So for those of you asking for my plan with me videos, you'll definitely get some. I don't know how often because I don't really decorate as much as I used to, but you'll see how I work with my planning and stuff like that. So yeah, so I hope you guys found this helpful. I love this. I don't know why it took me this long to figure out what I wanted to use. And I just love the size too. It's the perfect size. I don't know if I mentioned, it's an 8 by 10. So I really, really like it. So yeah, I can't wait to move in. Again, I will update you guys with this. So if you have any questions, always feel free to comment down below, or you can message me, and of course I will get back to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video.